Hi, my name is Ricardo Borges. I'm a tax lawyer at my own boutique tax law firm. I've been a participant in every GREIT edition since the very beginning, and I'm never disappointed with their outcome. One of the highlights of GREIT is the session between professors Frans van Istendel and Pieter Vatel. This session takes you to the very top-level discussion of the fundamental shifts in EU tax law today. I truly recommend the GREIT Summer Course to every person interested in European and international tax law.
As a master student from Brazil, I came to the GREIT Summer Course due to improve my research and tax competition and to check what people here in Europe are discussing on this subject, which is a very good opportunity once we can see professors from all over Europe and the United States.
Hello, I'm Rita Sudotsky. I'm from the Vienna University of Economics and Business. I'm an assistant professor in Vienna now, and I'm here in a capacity as a speaker this year, but actually I've been a regular guest of the GREIT Summer Course for many years now. I think actually from the very first year when I was a participant at the course, and the later years I evolved to the stage of being one of the speakers, and it's always a great pleasure to be here annually in this real tax oasis of Europe. It's a great pleasure because it's a unique opportunity to discuss highly relevant and very momentous topics in a forum which actually brings together many sides of the debate, not only academics, prestigious speakers from all over the world, but also PhD students, and very importantly, many practitioners participating in this summer course, which gives us the possibility to have a real debate about the most important topics of contemporary EU law. And this actually is an attraction beyond, of course, being in Lisbon in June, in this beautiful city where you have not only the sunshine, but also the historic setting of Lisbon. So for me, it's just a great pleasure and one of the highlights of the academic year to be back here in every year.
Hello, my name is Alberto Lopez from Spain, from PwC Spain, and I attended to the GREIT course this year because I find very interesting the program. The scientific program is very interesting. The yesterday conference was exciting because the Professor Van Nistendal and the other professor put very clear what is changing in the international tax context. The BEPS change, the state aid, the working of the Commission, and it was very interesting. And it's very interesting that the discussion between the members of the classroom, because there are people from a lot of countries, from a lot of works, academic, professionals, and well, it makes very interesting to hear their opinions about the BEPS changing of the tax international environment.
I am Giorgio Beretta and I am from Italy. I study tax law at the Luke University, where I am doing a PhD, where I am a PhD student. I joined the GREIT Summer School after I checked on the internet about the school, and also my professor, my tutor at the Luke University strongly suggested me about this scholarship, about this course. Yeah, I So far, I enjoyed so much the conversation that we had at the GREIT Summer School, and also last day we had a great conversation with Professor Van Istendal and Professor Vatto about hot tax topics that are in tax law now. So basically we discussed about BEPS proposal and ATA directive, and we compared the two proposals and tried to understand which are the strengths and weaknesses of both. So I hope, I know that the professor that will come in the following days will be from all across Europe and also in the United States, and I really like that. I am sure I will enjoy it.
I'm Wilfred Medom. I'm a PhD candidate at the University of Poitiers in France, and I'm very grateful for being here because actually I learned this program through a friend, and I have to admit that at the beginning I was a bit reluctant, but since I'm here, I mean, everything is wonderful. The courses are very clear, and I am able to understand important points in international taxation, and I'm very grateful for being here, and I think it will be very helpful for my PhD, and I think there are a lot of points have been addressed so far, and I look forward, to being at every courses, and once again, yes, thank you, and it's a great opportunity.
Hi, my name is Akriti. I'm a PhD student at the Faculty of Law in Lisbon. This is my 4th year organizing and attending the GREIT Summer Course. For me, it's a lot of fun because you have a great mixture of speakers, and the topics for the presentations or the lectures are always the most latest ones. And the other good thing is that you get to meet a lot of people from the academia. You have a lot of PhD students, we have a lot of law firms, consulting firms. For us, this is a perfect mixture of content and people.
The GREIT Summer Course is a fantastic opportunity to get up to speed on current issues of international taxation. This year's course is based on the BEPS project of the OECD and how it impacts domestic tax systems. And I think it's fantastic that you can take an on-hands approach on what the OECD has done and how it impacts tax laws and also tax administration. And my course this day was on transfer pricing and how actions 8 to 10 and all the other actions influenced transfer pricing, administration, and the obligations of entities and companies to deal with transfer pricing in international structures.